Hi guys, welcome to this video about what you can do if you have a lot of private content in your video, like account information, amounts, keywords and so on, and you don't want to show everything super clear to all the people in the whole world. Let's say if you make a tutorial about Google Ads, this is what you can do. Here we have a sample of another video. It's just really short. I mean, I don't even have to play that. I stop this right away because I'm not interested in the content of this video. I'm just interested in the settings. And I mean, you can see that's a really huge channel. It has lots of subscribers. I mean, this guy obviously knows what he's doing. He has more than 400,000 subscribers, and this video only has more than 250,000 views. That's huge. I mean, that's a dream to ever come so far. But anyway, I mean, I'm just telling you, this guy definitely knows what to do. And I just found it on like accident. I mean, not accident, by chance, of course. And so I was watching that and I thought, that looks a little bit blurred actually. Did he really blur the whole video, or what is he doing? I mean, actually you can see some of his private content. Actually, he's not using just a fake page. I mean, I think that's his normal Google Ads account, but it's hard to see anything. So I checked the resolution and I found that it's not actually blurred, but actually it's only available for 360p. There's nothing else. You can't choose more resolution, higher resolution than 360p. And I think this is what this guy was doing. So if you have an editor like I'm using the Power Director, I mean the Cyberlink Power Director, and when I go to produce, it asks me for the resolution, and usually I'm using 1080p, which is, I think reasonable. I mean, I could go higher, but sometimes the original is not much higher, so it doesn't make sense to interpolate or something like that. But here, in this case, I could also go lower with my resolution. Unfortunately, I don't have a 360p. I still have to work on that, even with a new profile. I'm actually not able to use 360p. The lowest which I can do is 480p, but depending on the size of the letters, 480p may be enough. If you have a little bit larger letters, then you have to maybe go down to 360p. I mean, there are always tools available in the internet to convert video down, let's say from 1080p to 360p, if you don't have the availability on your software to right away store it with 360p. But I think it's a good possibility to do the blurring, because I have been blurring. I had same situation like a couple of months ago, and I didn't want to show everything to everybody, and I decided to blur the whole video. I was using a filter like through an old-fashioned glass door, where you just see that somebody's there, and you see the you can see that somebody is there, and you see rough who it is, but you can't see the details. And I thought, yeah, that's good. But a lot of people have been complaining about that they were saying, hey, please show the video clear, that's not good, that's fake, that's scam, that's blah blah blah. And so really a lot of people have been complaining about that, and I always thought, is there another a possibility. And now I think I would probably rather go with the 360p or 480p if this is enough. And a lot of people would probably think, at least people who are watching the thing on a smartphone, they would probably think, okay, maybe I have just bad network connection, or it was accidentally uploaded with low resolution, or Google has a problem, or network, small bandwidth, or whatever. So it's not clearly visible that it has been blurred. And this is really, I mean, that's a really nice idea. I have to really give credit to this guy. Maybe it was not his original idea. Maybe he copied from another guy, but I think this is really a good idea, and I will try that for some videos and see how the feedbacks are, if they still are as bad as with the blurring. So for my side, I will definitely give it a try, and maybe, yeah, would be really interesting if you think that this could be a good option. And maybe if you already tried it, how was the feedback, how it turned out? Did you keep going with that? Or would be really interesting to learn from you. What's your opinion regarding that? Just yeah, just leave anything about that in the feedback area. I'm always interested to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.